guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a room tour video, so I thought I would show you what our room is looking like. Okay, so as you walk into our bedroom, we have got the wardrobes on the left and our bed on the right. So if we just turn to the bed area, this bed we bought from Super Saver. We've had it probably a couple of years now and we love it so much. It is an ottoman bed, so beneath that we have got storage and I just love it. So it's like a real pearly kind of grey. It's got a slight pink undertone, I would say, to it rather than more of a cool blue undertone, but I think it still goes really well with the wall paint. The wall paint that we've got at the moment is called Polished Pebble by Jeweler. Now this can be a lot of different tones in different people's houses. It is quite a cool toned grey, but it's not too blue for our liking. We really love this colour. And then above the bed you'll see that we have some artwork. This was something that I really wanted in this room. I've seen it quite a lot on YouTube and Instagram and I just thought it looked beautiful, but I was going to actually DIY my own print until I saw this, which was in Dunelm, and it was only £30 and I think it's absolutely beautiful. Let me take you a bit closer because you can see then the print has got like sparkle and glitter on it and I think it works really well. And what I like as well is because it was from Dunelm, it also really matches our mirrors well, which were also from Dunelm. These were £12. They have them in gold as well, but if you wanted to you could easily spray paint this top section to kind of match it in with your decor, and I thought for £12 you really cannot go wrong. So those just add a real lovely detail to the side of our beds. And then I'm going to take you down now to our bedside tables. You may have seen the video when we actually bought these. These again are from Dunelm. I believe these are not in stock anymore, or they don't do this colour anymore. However, I think they do the ivory or the cream version, or possibly a grey version. But with this side table we really struggled to buy the other one because the other one we got was in the ivory colour and it didn't match, but luckily they found us another one in store, so we have two of them now and I really like it. I was contemplating painting this and then I thought no, I don't want to ruin it because I really love the wood on the top. It's kind of like a washed kind of wood and I really like that. So on top of the bedside tables we have got a candle here. This is just a candle from HomeSense and I really like the matte black effect. The vase next to it was from H&M Home, and then the flowers inside are also from HomeSense, and then the lamp is from Dunelm also. A lot of the stuff here is from Dunelm and HomeSense because those are the shops that we like to shop for decor a lot of the time. We find it quite affordable in there too. The print over here you'll see is not new. We've had this for quite some time now and I was contemplating about changing it, but I wasn't really sure what would go with this, so we may eventually change it, but for now we've just kept that up there. We used to have another print over this side, but we now have built-in wardrobes, so we no longer have that print there. But that one there is really nice. It's very simple and really elegant as well. So we've kept the same kind of style on this side on the bedside tables. This is my side of the bed, and what I will show you here is we've got this kind of jewellery box and it's just got some sunglasses in it and one of my rings. I just thought it was a really cute like little display box. And then the candle at the back there is also from H&M Home. I'm going to talk about the bed details in a second, but let me just take you over here. So you'll see that we've got shutters in this room. We get a lot of questions about the shutters in here. It's quite hard to show the shutters, but these were from Hillary's Blinds. When we moved into the house, the shutters were quite a big investment for us, but there was something that made a huge difference and we really love them. We've got them throughout the house apart from in the kitchen, and I just love them so much. So we don't need to have curtains, although I was contemplating getting some like sheer ones to like just dress the room a little bit, but because it is quite a small room I don't think we will go ahead with that. But it was a nice idea. If you have got something like this in your home, then some sheer curtains would look really pretty in front of the shutters as well. Now moving over to our built-in wardrobes, I am going to be doing a full video on this just to kind of show you it in a little bit more detail, but here is a sneak peek of the wardrobe. We got this from IKEA. It is the IKEA Pax wardrobe, but we have had it built in, so it looks like it's a built-in wardrobe. Very, very clever, and I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. Do you know what, guys? This is one of my favourite pieces in our house now. I just wish we had done it sooner. It's made such a difference. And within this wardrobe, we've also got a hidden vanity and TV unit, which I'm going to take you to now. We really wanted to still keep our TV in here. If you remember our old room tour, the TV used to be on the wall and it was a really big telly. But what we have done is we've created this vanity and TV space, and to be honest I have not noticed a difference with regards to the TV, because obviously the TV is a bit smaller now, but I've not noticed a difference at all. It's perfectly fine to use there. I've got my vanity area here, so I just keep my stool hidden inside there, so that doesn't have to be on display. It's hidden away, it's really easy to use. All of my makeup is in here now. I've got my Ricky mirror, which I absolutely love, it's so good, and then our TV, and then at the top there we've also got a shelf for more storage, and it's just so good. So we've also got some interior lighting, which is also really nice. So in the mornings when I'm doing my makeup, I actually just use my interior lighting and my Ricky mirror. Sometimes it depends on the light, but most of the time I can just use that light and it's really good. So that is my hidden vanity space, which is another secret hidden part of this room. So we still have the wardrobe behind our door as well as you come in, but it's just slightly stepped back a bit. And again, it's easy to open and access, so we've got just drawers in there. But I will do a full tour on that very, very soon for you. But for now, that is a little peek of our wardrobes. Now let me take you over to our bed. Again, the bed was from Super Saver, and it is just beautiful. I think it's such a pretty bed. So the size of our bed is a double, and here in the UK that is kind of a standard size for a bed, and a double bed fits well in this room. We could get a king size bed, but then that would mean sacrificing more space on the sides, and to be honest I think this is fine as it is. So we went for the double size, and again it's an ottoman bed, so underneath there is storage. The bedding itself is my favourite. So I've got a few new pieces here. The bedspread was an investment. This was from Dunelm as well. So Dunelm have a dormer range, I think it's called. I believe this is from the dormer range. They actually had this on display, and they had quite a few other colours as well, like a mint green. They had more of a pearly white colour. I really like this. This is more of a pearly kind of beige. I thought it would just go really well in this room because of the tone of the bed, and then I can kind of keep the rest of the bedding very simple as well. So these two cushions on the front here are from HomeSense. So this is from the Kylie Minogue range, and then that is just a standard HomeSense cushion. This one here is also from Dunelm. These were actually in the sale, so all of the bedding was on sale, and they were from the Holly Willoughby range from Dunelm. So I got that, and I just think it is so, so pretty. But the main feature that makes this bedroom look beautiful is the bedspread. I just feel like the bedspread can really uplift any kind of bed and can make your bed look really, really beautiful. If you cannot be bothered to make your bed properly in the morning, throw a bedspread on and it's going to make your bed instantly look amazing and look like you've made an effort. So that is my little tip for you. Make sure you get a bedspread. I've got quite a few of these. I like to change them throughout the seasons or whenever I like to change my bedding up. But for now, this is one that I'm going to keep on here for a long time. It's just so beautiful. It's kind of like a satin feel, and I just think it goes really well in this room with the bed. So on the floor, we've had the carpets changed. We got new carpets from Tappy Carpets. We had a so-so experience from them. Not the best experience, but the carpet I really like. So before it was more of a beige tone. The only reason we changed the carpet in here is because we had to change the stair carpet, and it looked a bit odd having the grey carpet on the stairs and then the beige in here. So we eventually just changed it all, and I'm really happy with it. This rug here is from Dunelm. We've had a couple of these now. They do get a bit shaggy, but all you need to do is brush it out with like a Tangle Teezer brush or a sheepskin brush, and it really makes a difference. So I do need to do that. But for now, that is our bedroom. Let me just take you over here as well, because we do also have this section here. So that is just our ensuite in there. And then we've got this mirror up here, which we bought, I believe, a few years ago from a place called FW Home Stores. It used to be gold. It used to be a little bit like this colour here, actually. But before we did all of that, just wanted everything white. So we just painted it. And it's kind of stuck in this room, and I really like it here. It works really well in this space. I like mirrors. I love having lots of mirrors, and look how beautiful that picture looks and the reflection there. As for lighting, this is something that is actually needing to be replaced. So there's quite a few little bits missing here, as you can see. So the lighting is not something I'm happy with. I do want to replace the light, but I just haven't found the perfect light fitting for this room yet. So let me know what you think, because I don't know whether to keep it chrome, try and find something more champagne, or do something completely different. So let me know what your thoughts are. I think I'll probably stick with the chrome kind of theme, but I don't really want a chandelier. So we will have to see, and I'll keep you updated on that. So let me know what you think of our bedroom, and let me know your favourite feature of the room. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.